Have you ever been so close to falling asleep only to be woken up by a sudden jolt or jerk in your body? That terrifying falling feeling is called a hypnic jerk. Also known as a sleep start or a night start, a hypnic jerk is the involuntary twitching of one or more muscles which usually occurs when you are falling asleep. Hypnic jerks get their name because they tend to occur during the hypnagogic state, which is the period between wakefulness and sleep. If you have experienced these jerks, there's nothing to worry about. In fact, they're pretty normal. It's estimated that 60 to 70% of people experience hypnic jerks at least once in their lifetime, with 10% of people experiencing them daily. While researchers do know what a hypnic jerk is, they don't exactly know why the phenomenon occurs. That being said, there are a few ideas about where they come from. According to one theory, hypnic jerks may occur due to nerves misfiring in the brain. As we are about to fall asleep, our nervous system relaxes, our breathing slows down, and our muscles relax. During this slowing process, nerves can misfire, resulting in those muscular spasms. Some researchers believe that this is a basic protective reflex. During REM sleep, our body is paralyzed in order to prevent us from acting out our dreams. This process of complete muscle relaxation is read by the brain as paralysis. And in order to prevent this, the brain orders the muscles to twitch. Perhaps the most interesting theory is that this involuntary stimulation is an evolutionary byproduct. According to this theory, these muscle spasms are ancient primary reflexes that would have helped our primate ancestors stay on trees. Now that we have evolved, our brains misinterpret this feeling of muscle relaxation for falling from a tree. That would explain that terrifying falling feeling that tends to come with these spasms. Although it is very normal to experience these muscle jerks, in extremely rare cases they can be a symptom of other illnesses such as obstructive sleep apnea or even Parkinson's disease. Researchers believe that these muscle spasms may occur spontaneously or in response to something external such as bright lights or sounds. Certain factors may also increase the intensity of hypnic jerks, such as anxiety, fatigue, caffeine, and sleep deprivation. Strenuous evening activities may also result in increased hypnic jerks. However, they are most common in people with irregular sleep cycles. In some cases, hypnic jerks can be accompanied by sleep hallucinations and loud noises during sleep. Depending on the state and intensity, the experience varies from person to person. Some people may only experience them once or twice before they fall asleep. In severe cases, some people even wake up from the near sleep state every single night. In these cases, it can be difficult to get a peaceful night's sleep, and this can lead to anxiety and other health complications. The good news is that there are ways to limit the effects of hypnic jerks. Cut down on alcohol and caffeine, especially 3 to 4 hours before going to bed. Avoid heavy exercise or work in the evening, and make sure you're getting the proper amounts of magnesium and calcium in your diet. These quick tips can help you reduce the amount of muscle and nerve spasms you encounter.